So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to underline text here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up, the first thing you have to do is obviously add some text to your design. So go to the left hand side of the screen here, press on text, and then just for this demonstration, I'll press on add a heading. I'll close this out and make it a little bit larger. So it's easier for you guys to see. So very self-explanatory once that is done. Simply just press on the text right here to open up this top bar. Once you're on the top bar, there's this line right here. There's this U with the underline. Pretty self-explanatory. It means underline just like that. So what you can actually do is underline the entire thing. You can also just underline, certain parts if you're looking for that. So if I wanted to just underline maybe the word add, for instance, you can do that. Underline it right there, and pretty self-explanatory. That is how to underline text here on Canva using Canva desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.